Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be looking at carrying on sort of where I left off the other day. I've got these subframes to start stripping and dismantling, and I've got a new one I want to show you over here. So it's late at night, so I thought I'd do a little video on this, so I'll jump straight into it. Right, so here's the old subframe. I did a funny repair over here a few years ago where this stud snapped, so I tapped it in this way back into the old bolt shape bit in there and then nutted it instead of bolt it rather than having a nut on the end like this side. Light lady, if you'd come give me some light over here. So you see this is a threaded stud coming out here with a nut on it. This sheared off, so all I did is tap into what remained of it and then put a bolt in there. This subframe is pretty grotty anyway. It's really flimsy and loose underneath, and where it used to meet on the boot floor it's blissed up. It doesn't look bad, but in real life it's worse than what it is. Or worse than what it looks. And then this side as well. So I've got a new one over here. Courtesy of one of my buddies. Gave me it for Nota because he's a nice guy. But this is all solid. Someone's painted at some point in its life. I just want to flake any loose rusty bits off it, repaint it, and I need to cut off these late type exhaust mounts, and then on this one here you will see I've made my own sort of bracket that raises my Abarth exhaust off the floor. I need to sort of transfer this and mount it on the new one, so guess I'll get into stripping this old one down here. Right, so that's the T-piece out there, one of the copper bright lines and one of the old rubbers. I've got new braided ones that are Brembo, so this can go in the bin, and I'm going to put new copper pipe. These look okay, but I may as well replace it while I'm down here, and I'll probably do a video on that, on flaring the brake unions and stuff. Next I'll take the radius arm off. Right, so to remove the radius arm, you will have one big nut on this end. There's one nut inside the opposite side of the subframe here. There's a little corner bracket here, and they're all 1/2 inch little bolts on there. One here at the top of the radius arm, one just below, and then on the underface you'll find another two coming in sideways. They'll come in to do the play. I normally do these two first, then do this nut on the end here, and then the two lower ones. The correct size for it is 3/4 of an inch, but I use a 19mm span on the outside, and then I use a 3/4 inch ratchet on the inside. So that's it. I'll get that stripped out, and then I'll show you how to remove these large pins on the corners for the subframe mount. this 3/4 inch bolt here is just up here, so if you're working under the car, this is where you'll be looking for it if you ever need to do it. Right, so on this corner here, for this subframe mount, you will find just behind where the radius arm was, a nut there. I'm using an 18mm spanner on it. Unfortunately, unless you've got a really small ratchet, you won't be able to reach in there. That's why I have to use a spanner. And it shouldn't take too long to undo. Once you get some slack on it, it's not to. Should be able to do it from this side, like a screw. And that's as easy as that for that. Right, so this one is a little bit seized on the inside, and I haven't got the special tool to grip it, so a couple of pipe grips will do the job. Right, so that's it finished, guys. That's the strip subframe, bare boned. It's pretty late out there. Let me show you outside how dark it is. Pitch black out there. Now I ain't gonna work anymore. It's dark and the lamp's dead. So you'll catch me in the next video where I'll be looking to do the radius arms. I'm gonna try and do like a budget repair build on them, so to save those people who don't want to send them off for reaming and stuff. So keep tuned, you'll probably see that in the next video. Thanks for watching again, guys. See you later, bye.